3, 2, 1. Ready, set. Why did you do that? That threw me off.
You said 3, 2, 1, but then I was like,
hey YouTube, it's K-pop with me. I'm Erica.
I'm Kenna.
And the next video, we're going to be reacting to this KNK's Rain. We watched their Sun Moon Star and we really like that song. It's like very beautifully made. The concept of it's wonderful. But we don't know what Rain sounds like. Me and Kenna were talking earlier, we were like kind of hoping it's back to like Back Again and like Knock. You know, like the hype, like going hard songs. But I feel like just hearing Rain, it might be more of a suave song again, which is not bad. We're just making.
I mean, it'd be nice.
Yeah. Okay. But anyways, ready? Let's get to it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yep, already. It's sad. Oh, but CJ looks great.
This one means.
Who's that?
In song, I think.
There's him. No, that's Heejun. That one's the Jihan. Just kidding. I was like, wait.
There's Jun. Yujin. So the one running was in song.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a sad song.
Wait!
It sounds like
Tango!
Are we wrong? Yeah.
Are we tangoing? We're tangoing!
Oh, I'm liking this. That's saxophone?
Okay, Jihan.
Okay. You not playing around.
He cut himself.
Oh,
I knew.
Ow. Ooh, yes.
Oh!
Oh, Eugene voice is amazing. I just hear the clap in the back. Epic chorus, come on. I'll take it. Ooh. Their dancing always gets to me. Oh, nice pants, man. I like Heejun's hair a lot. Favorite. I like that concept. Whoa. That's dope! I like that a lot. Wow.
Dude, Jihan is... He's climbed up for me. He's like number 2.
Look at that. Wow.
I love this.
The umbrellas as a prop is amazing.
And the switching once it goes down.
Yeah. That was amazing. The clock, that was amazing.
The clock.
Dang. They're dancing.
Especially because they made the sound.
Oh, water scene. Whoa.
Oh, everyone falling.
They're all going in the water. Pool party? Whoa. They're like actually epically falling in. Whoa!
Oh!
Wait a second! 2 in 1! You two? I honestly wasn't sure. I was like...
Everything.
Whoa, the bus is full of water? Oh, yes. Oh, that scream scene. Wow.
Woo!
Yes. Look at their long... You know what makes it good? It's their long legs. Oh. That's saxophone, man. I love that hair tone.
Visuals.
I know.
All of them.
That was amazing.
Okay, that's hands down my second favorite Like, favorite choreo, but second favorite song. Because Knock is always
Knock.
first. But, like, the choreo for this is way better than, like,
It was just so, like, suave. Like,
oh!
the saxophone.
Smooth with an E. Smooth with an E.
Smooth. That was, like,
I felt some type of way.
I really did too. Like, it had somewhat of like that tango vibe I did get in the beginning, especially the saxophone. Their dance. Oh my god, the clock. When they transition to another person behind the umbrella.
Oh!
KNK's knocking it out with choreo.
Yeah,
I've always seen the chorus and I'm like, yes, every single time.
They do not have like a bad choreo.
No,
like,
they
it's
don't.
not, or a simple, like it's.
They exceed our expectations every
Everything
time.
is so aesthetically pleasing with them.
This was so much.
And it's talent. Oh, it was so good.
I'm just like in awe. That was really like.
It was so good.
I'm just like, they did that.
Because we were like, oh, it's gonna be sad. Like, oh.
It wasn't. I mean, it was kind of sad, but it
no,
wasn't.
it was sad, but I was still like the tango
slow,
sensual vibe was like
made it okay.
Yo.
Cause you know, like they look like heartbroken and stuff, but like the concept of like just like the
That's
MV
crazy.
was like amazingly, wonderfully done. That was just so good.
That was so good. I have like nothing to say because that was like
it's
like I feel like we've already like throughout the reaction we already said what we felt, so it's like I really like it's so good. Like I would recommend everyone to watch this or like at least watch the choreo because the
so epic with all the rain.
Yeah,
it's just very fitting.
Everything needs like a rain stage.
Thank you KNK for existing.
Yeah, seriously.
So that was a reaction to KNK's Rain, and if you didn't just see that reaction, we were like just thoroughly impressed with KNK's new comeback because that was everything we wanted and more. Like that was just an amazing choreo, amazing like MV, just everything about it was just perfectly done. But anyways, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, everybody have it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!